I am Annie, and this is a guided meditation for Heal With You, where healing always starts with you. Before beginning your practice, please consult a medical professional to see if meditation is right for you. This meditation should never replace any medication, nor should it be used as a replacement for professional medical health. No one associated with Heal With You is a licensed medical professional. This meditation is a simple addition to any health regimen or protocol. If this meditation uproots any feelings of anxiousness or tension, please stop and return when comfortable, or view the helpful numbers in the video description below for crisis resources. Lastly, please remember to never practice this meditation while driving or operating heavy machinery. Make sure all cellular phones are silenced, and you can find a safe, quiet place to relax. We are all energetic beings. Therefore, we all emanate different energies. This can be experienced as the mood we are in or how we feel physically. High vibration energy leaves us feeling uplifted, hopeful, and willing to share the feelings of positivity. Low vibration energy vibrates at a lower frequency, leaving us feeling drained, hopeless, angry, overwhelmed, and very closed off from others. As easy as it is for us to admit both these energies, it is easy to pick up on others' energies too. You may have entered a room and felt the energy was dense and stagnant, knowing something was just not right. Or you may have watched a movie and watched something disturbing that may have altered your field. Or you may just feel off and drained for no apparent reason. This meditation is a great way to clear any stagnant or low frequency energy from your field so you can feel safe, protected, and clear. It's a wonderful way to surround yourself and your field with uplifting energy so others can feel your radiance and let that feeling spread. Always remember, feelings of lower energy or negativity are not right or wrong. We all have them. They help us filter out what we do want, opposed to what we don't. The key is to not get stuck in these thoughts, and to learn if they belong to you or to someone else, which can be done through meditation, and with time can come as second nature. Begin by finding your breath, and if comfortable, gently close your eyes. Feel the body calm with each breath cycle, breathing in and breathing out. Notice how the chest rises with each breath in and falls with each breath out. Feeling the fresh, oxygenated air enter and renew your body with each breath in, and with each breath out, release any remaining tension held in the body. Breathe in and breathe out. Become aware of your body where you are seated or laying, noticing how it feels where you are. If possible, allow the spine to be upright and lengthened, and feel your body resting heavy and relaxed. Bring your attention to any feelings in the body. Maybe your heart beating, or how the air feels as it passes over your skin. Become very aware and in tune with your physical body. With this awareness, bring your attention to the area above the crown of your head. Imagine a cloud floating down from the sky and resting right above you. As this cloud lowers, it begins to cover your whole body. This bright, white cloud surrounds your whole body right where you are about 3 feet out. With its presence, it brings protection, comfort, and health. Take a deep breath in, breathing in this energy, feeling it enter your physical body, clearing any illness, stagnation, or darkness, and filling these areas with healing white light. Bring your focus again to the crown of your head. Imagine the light filtering into this area, and as it flows into the crown of your head, it begins to glow with a pale violet light. This light connects you to universal energy as it glows from inside the top of your head upward. Let this light flow down to the area between your eyes, glowing a deep dark blue as it does. Within this deep blue light, you are tuning into your inner wisdom, imagination, and your ability to analyze truth in the world. This light clears and nourishes the pituitary and pineal gland and leaves you with a feeling of clarity. Let the light flow further down to the area of your throat and see it glow sky blue. Within this sky blue light, you are clearing any communication issues or creative blocks. You are also nourishing your thyroid, hypothalamus, and throat with this healing sky blue light. Now let the light flow down to your heart and feel it glowing green. Within this green light, you release any stagnant energy surrounding love or the ability to give or be loved. You feel acceptance and compassion. You feel this green healing light cleansing your blood and strengthening your arms and hands. Allow the light to flow down to the area of your navel and see it glowing yellow. Within this yellow color, you feel your willpower strengthen and any difficulties with assertion cleared. This yellow heals any ailments of the stomach and leaves you with a strong functioning metabolism and a healthy digestive tract. The light now flows down to the area between your navel and near your sacrum. When the light reaches this area, it begins to glow orange. Within this orange color, you clear any energy surrounding pleasure, emotional balance, and your sexuality. Within this orange color, you heal and nourish any reproductive organs and strengthen your bladder. Allow the light now to flow to the perineum, the area located at the very base of your torso. As it reaches this area, witness it glowing a deep ruby red. Feel this ruby red flow down to your feet and root you to the ground, helping you connect universal energy to earth energy, completing the connection from above to below. Within this red ruby energy, feel safe in your survival needs and know you are sheltered, well cared for, and focused. This light also heals and nourishes the kidneys, the legs, and the colon. With this connection of above and below, feel the cloud of energy within start to move without. meeting the cloud your body is already surrounded with and strengthening it. Within this double healing and nourishing cloud layer, visualize any energy that does not belong to you, simply melting away. Visualize any cords to others' thoughts and feelings being severed. Within this healing energy, visualize the outer layer covered in floating protective ancient symbols. These symbols allowing your energy to be kept as your own, and only allowing what serves you for your highest good to enter your field. Anything else will be returned to sender, or sent back to the earth to be recycled. Notice how the lightness of this protection makes your physical body feel. How visualizing yourself safe, healthy, and protected can leave you physically feeling light and airy. How this high-frequency energy can benefit not only you, but those around you, who can then in turn help those around them. We are all healers on many levels, so you healing yourself is a catalyst for others to heal as well. When you protect your energy, set boundaries, and allow healing to take place, you also heal many others. With this light and protection surrounding you, allow your focus to come back to the breath. Take a long, deep breath in and a long, deep breath out. Feel awareness returning to the body by noticing any sounds in the room. Notice the way the light in the room feels with your eyes closed, or any scents you may smell. Gently open the eyes if you haven't already, and if comfortable, stretch the arms above and wiggle your fingers and toes. This meditation is something you can do daily to protect and heal your energy, and with time, you can begin to do as almost second nature. Meditation is like a muscle in that sense, and the mind and body learn quickly how to do these exercises organically. Thank you for taking this time for you and your physical and energetic bodies today. Please click like, share, or subscribe to us on YouTube. The more you do, the more it allows me to keep creating meditations for you. You can also follow us on the website linked below, where you can find links to subscribe to our newsletter for new meditation announcements, or you can follow us on Facebook. And as always, remember, healing always starts with you.